Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 110 of our Marchese Vocal Challenge. Today we are coming at you with exercise 161, which is full of fast and furious 16th notes triplets.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 161 is super crazy. We're starting in this B major scale and we're going up on a scale degree. We're not modulating, we're actually using the B major scale to keep going up in this triplet fashion. So we got this then we come down to da. So that one is always on a different scale degree. So just be careful that you're really watching where that goes. Now, you can take a breath. Okay, she's marking that we should breathe after each bar. Okay, see, after the first note of each bar, and then you re-articulate. Oh, no, she says take a breath. Oh, oh. Okay, I would begin again, like she normally indicates. Yeah, I would begin again. So, in essence, you're going to be doing this. No, yeah, okay, and then continue on. All right, you're gonna see me at the end of this road. Let's try it. Okay, so here is exercise 161, and I want you to notice that the first two are a little bit different. Okay, so the first one we start and we've got a third skip. Then we go to the next one, we've got a fourth. The next one we got thirds, okay, thirds, 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 thirds. So they're basically thirds until that C to the F. So anytime we have the C to the F is not a third, okay? So let's just take this nice and slow and see where we go. I may have to stop. All right, okay, and here is exercise 161, nice and slow. Oh, next one. Oh, next one. Oh, next one. Oh. So I would check my evenness on this. Okay, I'm not going so even. So. Next one. Oh my gosh, did you see that? So we've got what did I do? What are you doing? Marchese, why? I don't think I could ever get this fast, okay? Even after days. All right. Back down again. I'm trying to work out a pattern. I mean, I guess there is. It's just very complicated. So yeah, take it slow. I said fast and furious. I guess we are not going fast and furious. I would need a week on this to get this up to speed, but it's really good. Hey, let's do it. Let's do it for a couple days and see what happens. I mean, I will be posting a different one tomorrow, but let's give this a try.